How to add credit or debit card in Sainsbury's app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. Well, if you're on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, you have to search for Sainsburysbank.com. It will land you on the official page of Sainsbury's Bank. Now you simply have to log into your account. In order to do that, tap on Login or Register at the top right corner of the screen. In the option of Cards, Loans and Savings, tap on Login. It will land you on this interface. In here, you have to enter your login credential, as in, first of all enter your username. And then you have to enter the last 3 digits of your mobile number, as they will be sending you one-time passcode. Once you enter the OTP, tap on Continue, and then you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into Payment Method. You will see the option of Add Payment Method. Click on it. One interface will appear on the screen. You have to enter all of the details of your credit or debit card. Once you have entered all of the necessary details, tap on Save and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card on Sainsbury's app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.